Barbie Fortesa update. Yung congrats kay Barbie. Yung wagi siya sa Anak TV bilang Female Makabata Star 2024. At na-display na nga sa bahay nila. Yung congrats kay Barbie. And sa post ng Sparkle, Barbie Fortesa is honored with the Female Makabata Star 2024 Award at Anak TV Seal Awards. Congrats kay Barbie. Yan ang mga nakasabay ni Barbie dyan sa award. Sila Francine, sa Shara, at marami pang iba. Yan si Barbie, nasa likod ni Francine. Congrats kay Barbie. And po, nasa red carpet na si Barbie dyan sa Anak TV Awards. At nanalo din ang Pulang Araw bilang Household Favorite Television Program 2024. Congrats sa Team Pulang Araw. Ito pa yung mga ganap ni Barbie. Ayan, so kayo pa mo. Ito sa launch ng Nanyang Basic, kung saan brand ambassador si Barbie. Cute ni Barbie dyan. Ito, contact signing.
Nanyang Basic. At kung wala po kayong gagawin sa Monday, December 9, 7 p.m. po. Magla-live po ako.
Abang kay Barbie.
Christmas box, yun. This will be available on my live on November 9, 7 p.m. on my personal account together with Nanyang Basic. So you get to watch it. You get to join my live on Monday. Again, thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for coming. You all look gorgeous and stunning. So just keep the party going. Kuya, yung may lyrics naman.
Alam niyo naman, trabaho ay trabaho lang at the end of the day. Sarili mo pa rin ang pinaka-importante. You have to take care and to love yourself talaga. So if that means taking a break from work to go somewhere, go on a trip, be with your friends, hindi ba? Para lang mawala yung stress mo. And of course, do not forget to take good care of yourself from today.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Future Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.